Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Kia Stinger tail light. First, open your trunk and find the small access panels inside. Carefully remove the 2 plastic clips holding the carpet liner. Once clips are out, gently pull back the liner to reveal the tail light assembly and its mounting points. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to the necessary hardware. Now that you have access, grab a 10mm socket. You'll see 3 mounting nuts holding the tail light in place. Carefully remove each one. After the nuts are off, locate the electrical connector and press its release tab to disconnect it. With the nuts and connector free, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. Be sure to pull it evenly to avoid any damage. Before you completely remove the light, take a moment to inspect the housing for any additional clips or hidden fasteners that might still be holding it. If you're replacing individual bulbs, simply twist and pull out the bulb sockets from the assembly. Once the light is fully detached, it's a good idea to clean the mounting area on your vehicle. This ensures a proper seal and fit when you install a new or reinstalled tail light. To reinstall, carefully align the new or repaired tail light assembly with the mounting holes and push it firmly into place. Make sure it sits flush against the body. Then, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely to prevent any loose connections. Finally, replace the 3 10mm mounting nuts and tighten them, then secure the carpet liner with its 2 plastic clips. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.